The rulers of China are obsessed with control. They want to control the territory of others, and they want to control the global narrative. They also want a tight control on the lives of their own people. A pandemic is a good excuse to do all of that. China was perhaps the first country to introduce a contact tracing app. This app is now a tool in the government's hand, a domestic surveillance tool, something that Beijing wants to keep using even after the Wuhan virus is controlled. It is rating all Chinese citizens, giving them health scores. And now China wants to decide who is fit to start a family. You have to see this to believe it.
If you are in China, this QR code is your ticket to the world. This video from TikTok describes how China is controlling the movement of its citizens during this pandemic. Each province feeds data into a digital archive. A government app assigns a color code to everyone. If you are green, you can freely move around. Yellow or red means quarantine. Splitting the population like this may be a necessity right now. But Chinese officials want these QR codes to become a way of life. The city of Hangzhou says it wants to normalize the use of the app. They are calling it a firewall to enhance people's health and immunity. Hangzhou is home to Chinese tech giant Alibaba. Its affiliate, Ant Financial, alongside social media giant Tencent, developed the QR code app. Chinese officials were quick to adopt this technology. The health QR code was added as a feature on Alipay, one of the largest digital payment systems in China, making it the ultimate surveillance weapon. It has the potential to construct a complete profile of an individual. According to a report in the Chinese press, authorities can track not just coronavirus infection, but also your financial and transport data. Information like previous card transactions and the type of public transport used. More than 1 billion people in China are covered by these QR codes now. According to a report, they have been scanned more than 9 billion times since February. Real data in real time. That seems to be the motto of Chinese digital surveillance. And now the collection of health data will supercharge digital spying. Officials in Hangzhou plan to use the codes to assign a health status to a citizen. It will be generated through digital medical records. That includes results of health checkups and lifestyle habits. Daily smoking will reduce your score, while daily exercise will improve it. Hangzhou officials plan to expand the color palette for greater classification. The plan is to score and rank citizens based on their health and lifestyle. China is using the pandemic to build one of the world's most sophisticated surveillance networks. The Communist Party wants to intrude into every aspect of a citizen's daily life. Political advisor Zhu Hongling wants to even determine if a couple is eligible to be parents. He wants to train young couples before they have a baby. Zhu Hongling has made a pitch at the 2 sessions. He suggests that couples must obtain a qualification certificate before having a child. The Communist Party not only wants to run the country, it also wants to dictate how Chinese citizens live. And a pandemic is a good excuse to impose its will on the Chinese people. Bureau Report, WION World is One.